Good morning, dear children. All of you open your worksheets. We are going to learn rhyming words and question and answers of your second poem, The Dark, written by James Carter, right? In our previous class, we have completed hard words and meanings. And in today's class, we are going to continue from rhyming words. Okay? See the first one. Bark, B-A-R-K, bark. Dark, park, lark. D-A-R-K, dark. P-A-R-K, park. L-A-R-K, lark. Bark, dark, park, lark. Second one, sleep, weep, deep, beep, right? S-L-E-E-P, sleep. W-E-E-P, weep. D-E-E-P, deep. B-E-E-P, beep. Sleep, weep, deep, beep. Third one, creak, shriek, cheek, Greek. C-R-E-E-K, creak. S-H-R-E-E-K, shriek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. G-R-E-E-K, Greek. Fourth one, harm, calm, balm, palm. H-A-R-M, harm. C-A-L-M, calm. B-A-L-M, balm. P-A-L-M, palm. Harm, calm, balm, palm. Fifth one, sink, think, blink, drink. S-I-N-K, sink. T-H-I-N-K, think. B-L-I-N-K, bink. G-R-I-N-K, drink. Sink, think, blink, drink. Sixth one, night, blight, light, bright. N-I-G-H-T, night. B-L-I-G-H-T, blight. L-I-G-H-T, light. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Okay, children, these are the rhyming words. Now come to question and answers. See the first one. In the first stanza, the poet compares our fear of the dark to a dangerous dog. Pick out the phrases that bring out that comparison. See the answer. The poet compares the dog to a dangerous dog by saying the phrases like it does not bite and it does not bark or chases old ladies round the park. So the poet compares the dog to the poet compares our fear of the dark to a dangerous dog by saying the phrases like it doesn't bite, it doesn't means dog here, okay? It doesn't bite and it doesn't bark or chases old ladies round the park, okay? This what the answer is. Now see the second one. What according to the poet are the good points about the dark? So according to the poet, how he is thinking, what are the good points he think about the dark, okay? See the answer. The poet says that while everybody is afraid of dark, it lets you have some privacy. So some good points he is saying that you all are afraid of dark, but the dark lets you have some privacy, allows you to sleep and weep when nobody is seeing. So if you are so sad, it allows you to weep, and if you are too tired, it allows you to sleep. It means dark, okay? It is unfortunate that it is around only when the beastly or scary things make sounds. So only when beastly or some scary things make some sounds during dark time, at that time unfortunately we get afraid of dark, okay? It gives you means dark gives you some space to think and lets you have a quiet place to rest. So at the dark, if we sleep lonely in the dark, It is the space to think something else that we are thinking about, right? And lets you have a quiet place to rest. Yes, in the dark, when it is dark, we will obviously take rest during night times, right? So the poet says that while everybody is afraid of dark, it lets you have some privacy, allows you to sleep and weep when nobody is seeing. It is unfortunate that it is around only when beastly or scary things make sounds. It gives you some space to think and lets you have a quiet place to rest. This is the second question. Now see the third one. What does the poet say about the dark? The poet says that the dark is cozy and causes no harm. Rather, it is afraid of the light. So here the poet is saying no need to afraid of the dark because dark is afraid of the light. And the poet says that the dark is cozy and causes no harm. So the dark causes no harm. No need to afraid of the dark because dark itself afraid of the light. Okay. See the fourth one. Do you think that the poet likes the dark? Why? By the content of the poem, we can see that the poet likes the dark. He is trying to convince the readers that dark is not actually a thing to be feared of. The dark gives you space to think, gives you a peaceful atmosphere to weep when no one is looking. This is why the poet says the dark is not always evil, as it is not the dark's fault. Okay, this is the fourth question. So children, you read these rhyming words and question and answers 3 times each and note down in your homework books 2 times each. Okay, bye children, thank you.